Hello, in this video, we will solve one more example related with trigonometric identities. The given question is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. We have to prove it. So what we will start from we will start from left hand side. So it's 1 minus cos theta. It's given 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. You can just rationalize it by its conjugate. So what we do, we multiply it by its opposite sign. So it's plus, then we multiply it with minus cos theta in the numerator as well as denominator. So you write it 1 minus cos theta. So you can see that in numerator, now it has become what? 1 minus cos theta one time, 1 minus cos theta second time. So you can write 1 minus cos theta and its whole square. Okay, so you can put up like this. In the denominator, you can see that it's a plus b. Suppose 1 is a and cos theta is b. So it's a plus b and it's a minus b. And we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So just put it in this form. So a square means 1 square, b square means cos square theta, cos square theta. So just put it here. So you will get 1 minus cos square theta. It becomes, numerator will be, if you expand it, suppose it's a and it's b. So it will be a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square, what is the formula for a minus b whole square? It's equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So just expand it numerator by this formula. So a square means 1 square, b square will be cos theta square, minus 2ab means minus 2 into a into b, and b is cos theta. So just expand it, cos theta. In denominator, you can see that 1 minus cos square is there. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from this one, you can bring cos theta is equal to 1. Take this cos square theta to right hand side. So it will be, in left hand side, sin square theta will remain and cos square theta is in positive. If you take it to right hand side, it will become minus. So you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Now you can see that in the denominator, it's 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to sin square theta. So you can write it sin square theta. Now 1 square will be 1, cos square theta will be, cos theta square will be, it will come cos square theta, and it's minus 2 cos theta, and in the denominator it's sin square theta. Now 1, you can write it 1 by sin square theta, 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta minus, by sin square theta and it will come minus 2 cos theta by sin square theta. It will 1 minus sin square theta, it will be cosec square theta, because cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. You can write it cosec square theta. So cos square theta by sin square theta is cot square theta. So you can write it cot square theta. And minus 2 cos theta and sin square theta, you can write it 2 cos theta. Sin square theta, you can write it sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta. Now cos theta by sin theta, you can write it as a cot theta. So 2 cot theta and 1 by sin theta, you can write it cosec theta. So here you can write 2 cosec theta into cot theta. And it can be written as what? Cosec theta minus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Hence it is proved. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel.